Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, aim feel easier to make you fly. Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, aim feel easier to make you fly. Here we go.
Good afternoon, passengers. This is a pre-boarding announcement for Flight 89B to Rome. We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes time. Thank you.
Okay. Who's another? Alina? Yes, Alina, go ahead. You need to unmute your audio first.
नमस्कार प्रिय सज्जनों, नई दिल्ली की अंग्रेजी हवाई अड्डे में आपका स्वागत है। हृदय आपका कुर्सी की पीछे बांधे रखें और विमान की पूरी तरह दिख जाने तक आपका स्थान पर बने रहिए। आपका सुरक्षित के लिए मोबाइल फोन बांधे उपयोग न करें। पूरी सामान सुरक्षित के लिए समेत सावधान के बातें रखें और कि आपका यात्रा सुरक्षित के लिए हमारे साथ यात्रा के लिए धन्यवाद।
English.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board flight number 4B7 with service from Hong Kong to Shenzhen. We are currently third in line for takeoff and are expected in the air in approximately 7 minutes. We ask you to please fasten your seatbelt at this time and secure all baggage under the knee. Your seats are in the overhead apartment. We also ask you to keep seat and table trays are in the upright position to take off. Please turn off your personal electronic devices including laptops and electronic phones. Smoking is prohibited for the duration of the flight. Thank you for the choosing Northern Airlines. Enjoy your flight.
Okay, thank you. Ankita,
Yes, ma'am.
switch on your camera. Ankita, why your hair are not tied?
Oh, ma'am, because I am traveling and now I am at.
What?
Ma'am, in the morning I am traveling and 10 minutes मतलब थोड़े पहले ही मैं घर पे आई तो फिर जल्दी
Okay, so I'll give you time. Go and tie it up and come. I'll take your announcement later.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Ashwin. Do your announcement. Sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Do your announcement.
Yes, ma'am. स्वागत योगियों गौरव शुभ भारत शुभ प्रभात देवियों सज्जनों के लिए उड़ान में आपका स्वागत है। मेरा नाम जॉन
You're supposed to do the announcement today itself. Start it again.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Okay, Ashwin, I'll come back to you later. Who's that with Vishna?
Hello.
Ashwin, wait, I'll come back to you later now.
Yes.
Yes, you start. You start. Yeah. Very nice grooming, by the way.
ध्यान दीजिए, कृपया अपने छोटा बैग को सामने वाले
Okay, keep your mouthpiece near to your mouth because I can hardly hear you.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, कृपया अपने छोटा बैग को सामने वाली सीट नीचे की रखें ताकि ओवरहेड बेंच में बड़े बैग्स के लिए आधी जगह बनाई जा सके। और जो यात्री रो 1, 12 और 13 पर बैठे हैं वे अपने बैग्स ऊपर बने सामान कक्ष में भी रखते हैं। धन्यवाद। Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for better utilization of space in the overhead bin, request to keep your small bags under the seat in front of you to make space for the bigger bags in the overhead bin. And customers seated in rows 1, 12 and 13, please place your bag in the overhead bin only. Thank you.
Good. Okay, Janvi.
बेटियों सज्जनों, हांगकांग से सैन फ्रांसिस्को की सेवा के साथ ऑनवर्ड फ्लाइट 4B7 में आपका स्वागत है। वर्तमान में हम टेक ऑफ की तीसरे स्थान पर हैं और लगभग 7 मिनट के समय में हवा में रहने की उम्मीद है। आपसे निवेदन है कि आप इस समय अपने सीट बेल्ट की पेटी को बांध लें और अपनी सीट के नीचे या ओवरहेड डिब्बों में सभी सामान को सुरक्षित रख लें। आपसे यह भी निवेदन है कि आप अपनी सीट और टेबल ट्रे को टेक ऑफ के दौरान स्थिर स्थिति में कर दें। कृपया लैपटॉप और सेल फोन सहित सभी व्यक्तिगत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों को बंद कर दें। उड़ान की अवधि के लिए धूम्रपान निषिद्ध है। माउंटेन एयरलाइंस चुनने के लिए धन्यवाद। अपनी उड़ान का आनंद लें। Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board flight 4B7 with service from Hong Kong to San Francisco. We are currently third in the line for takeoff and are expected to be in the air in approximately 7 minutes time. We ask that you please fasten your seat belts and this time secure all baggages underneath your seats or in the overhead compartment. We also ask that your seats and tables are in the upright position for takeoff. Please turn off all personal electronic devices including laptops and cell phones. Smoking is prohibited for the duration of the flight. Thank you for choosing Mountain Airlines. Enjoy your flight.
Okay, thank you, Janvi. Xavier?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, कृपया अपने छोटे बैग्स को सामने वाली कुर्सी के नीचे रख दें ताकि ओवरहेड बिन में बड़ी बैग्स के लिए आधी जगह बनाई जा सके और जो यात्रियों है 1, 12, 13 वे अपने बैग्स ऊपर सामान कक्ष में ही रखें। धन्यवाद। Good afternoon to ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Air Asia. This is flight number 678. This is the first officer of the flight and I am one of the crew members. This flight will take 1 hour. Please switch off electronic device. Smoking is also prohibited. For your safety, fasten your seatbelt. Thank you.
Nice. Okay, Ramesh? Yeah, start your announcement.
शुभ दोपहर यात्रियों, मेरे में उड़ान 89D के लिए प्री बोर्डिंग की घोषणा हो। वह अब इन यात्रियों को छोटे बच्चों को साथ आमंत्रित कर रहे हो और इस समय बोर्डिंग शुरू करने के लिए यात्रियों को विशेष सहायता की आवश्यकता होती है। वे अपना बोर्डिंग the pre-boarding announcement for 89B to Rome. We are now inviting those being at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will be approximately in 10 minutes. Thank you.
Okay, great. Shilka?
Yes, ma'am. महिलाओं और सज्जनों, हांगकांग की सैन फ्रांसिस्को की सेवा के साथ ऑनबोर्ड पायलट 4B7 का स्वागत करते हैं। वर्तमान में हम तीसरे स्थान पर है और लगभग 7 मिनट के समय है। हवा में रखने की उम्मीद है। हम पूछते हैं कि आप समय अपने सीट बेल्ट को तेजा से बंधें और अपने सीट के नीचे या ओवरहेड डिब्बों में सभी सामान सुरक्षित रहें। हम यह भी पूछे हैं कि अपने सीटन और टेबल ट्रे टेक ऑफ के लिए सीधा स्थिति में है। कृपया लैपटॉप और सेल फोन सहित सभी मानकीकृत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण को बैन कर दें। उड़ान की अवधि के लिए दोपहर से है। माउंटेन एयरलाइन चुनने के लिए धन्यवाद। अपने उड़ान के आनंद लें।
Okay, English.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board flight 4B7 with services from Hong Kong to San Francisco. We are currently third in line for takeoff, are expected to be in the air approximately 7 minutes time. We ask that you please fasten our seatbelt at this time and secure our baggage underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats are table weights are in the upright position for takeoff. Please turn off all personal electronic devices including laptop and cell phones. Smoking is prohibited for this duration of the flight. Thank you for choosing Mountain Airlines. Enjoy your flight.
Okay, good. Shubham?
Yes, ma'am.
Start please.
सुप्रभात देवी और सचिन, एयर इंडिया की ओर से हम सिंगापुर के लिए फ्लाइट में आपका स्वागत करना चाहते हैं। इस उड़ान के कप्तान का नाम कैप्टन शर्मा है और मेरा नाम शुभम। सिंगापुर के लिए हमारी उड़ान का समय उड़ान करने के 3 घंटे 40 मिनट बाद होगा। टेक ऑफ की तैयारी करने के लिए कृपया सुनिश्चित करें कि आपकी कुर्सी की पेटी को तेजी से कस दिया गया है, आपकी कुर्सी सीधे स्थित में है और आपका टेबल ट्रे सुरक्षित रूप से संग्रहित है। धन्यवाद।
English?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Air India, we would like to welcome you on board Flight 222 bound for Singapore. The captain of this flight is Captain Sharma, and my name is Shubham, your steward. Our flight time to Singapore will be 3 hours and 40 minutes after takeoff. To prepare for takeoff, please ensure that your seat belt is fastened tightly. Your seat is in upright position and your tray table is securely stowed. Thank you.
Very good. Who's next? Wait. Trisha.
हिंदी जो एरन और फ्रेड कोलिन ने 372 ए विमान से कैंसस सिटी के लिए बुक किया था। सुबह तुरंत गेट 3 पर जाइए। अंतिम 5 पूरी हो रही है और कैप्टन लगभग 5 मिनट के लिए संबंधित विमान के दरवाजों को बंद करने का आदेश देगा। मैं दोहराता हूँ, यह एरन और फ्रेड कोलिन के लिए अंतिम बोर्डिंग कॉल। धन्यवाद। This is final boarding call for passengers Erin and Fred Collins booked on flight 378 to Kansas City. Please proceed to gate immediately. The final checks are being completed and captain will order for the door of the aircraft to close in approximately 5 minutes time. I repeat, this is the final boarding call for Erin and Fred Collins. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Trisha. Varshan, are you there? Varshan, are you there? Veena, are you there? Veena?
Yes, please.
Yes, please switch on your camera.
May I?
Yes, please.
प्रिय यात्रियों, हम अपने निर्धारित स्थान पर पहुंच गए हैं। आपसे निवेदन है कि सीट बेल्ट का संकेतन बंद होने तक आप अपना कुर्सी के बेटी बांधे रखें और सामान दक्ष न होने। कृपया अपना सामान का पहचान कर ले ताकि वो अन्य यात्रियों के सामान से न बदल जाए और सीट पॉकेट ध्यानपूर्वक रखें ताकि आपका कोई निजी सामान विमान में न रह जाए। इंडिगो से यात्रा करने के लिए धन्यवाद। आपसे फिर मिलने की आशा करते हुए हम विदा लेते हैं।
Okay. English.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have now arrived at our destination. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and open the overhead bench carefully once the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please carry your seat focus to make sure you don't leave any personal belongings behind and double check your baggage before leaving. This will prevent the bags from getting exchanged with the bags of fellow passengers. On behalf of Indigo, we wish you a very pleasant stay here or a happy onward journey. Thank you for choosing to fly with us. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, अब आप मोबाइल फोन का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। May I have your attention, please? You're free to use your mobile phones now. Thank you.
Okay, great. Yadu? Yadu is there?
Yadu is an observer.
Oh, sorry. Yes, yes, version, please start.
Ma'am, I not attend the class last 2 days. Ma'am, I don't know the announcement.
Okay, so I'm putting you on 0 then. Fine. Ankita, are you back?
Ma'am, I will tell tomorrow, ma'am.
No, I don't have time for tomorrow. Ankita? Alright. Ashwin, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, Ashwin, please start.
हाँ स्वागत योगिन घोष शुभ प्रभात देवियों के लिए उड़ान में आपका स्वागत है। मेरा नाम जॉन अर्ना है और मैं आपका पहले सर्विस हूँ। आपका कैबिन क्रू आज सुबह के लिए उड़ान सुनिश्चित करने के लिए यहाँ शुभ प्रभात देवियों सदिनों एक के लिए 493 में आपका स्वागत है। 4 की उड़ान अपने
Do it in English.
Good afternoon, passengers. This is the pre-boarding announcement for the flight to Rome. We are now inviting those passengers with the small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at the time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular begin approximately 10 minutes. Thank you.
Okay. Ankita, are you there? Okay, no. All right. So, Alina, George.
Yes, sir.
Alina, switch on the camera. Okay. Now tell me, how will you greet the purser and the captain?
I'll try the purser first, ma'am. Good morning, Miss Sharma. I'm Alina. I will be flying with you today. For the captain, good morning, Captain Sharma. I am Alina. I will be flying with you today.
Okay, great. What is decompression?
It is a sudden drop of pressure in cabin, ma'am.
Okay, how will you come to know that this is a rapid or a slow decompression?
If it's a rapid decompression, the oxygen mask will fall down. We will hear a sudden banging noise. Condensation will start. The cabin will become really cold. If it's slow decompression, the passengers feel less dizziness, headache, nausea. And the cabin will become less cold.
Cabin will become?
It's not cold.
In rapid decompression,
Yes.
cabin will not be cold.
No, if rapid decompression, the temperature will go down and it will be really cold.
What is the time of useful consciousness?
90 seconds.
What is time of useful consciousness?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know? Okay, good. What is turbulence?
It's the sudden up and down motion of the aircraft due to the change in wind speed.
Okay. How many types of turbulence we face?
3 types.
What are 3 types? Camera should be on all the time. What are the 3 types of turbulence?
Slight, moderate, and severe.
Okay, what is the difference between moderate and severe?
In moderate, we can move the cart.
In moderate, we can move the cart.
We can't.
Okay, and in severe, we can.
No, we can't. And we can walk on. We can walk on moderate turbulence, but we can't walk on severe turbulence. We have to go to our jump seats.
Okay. So what if you are unable to go to your jump seat? What will you do?
We'll sit on the where we are standing. We'll sit there.
Okay, good. Now give me the name of 5 emergency equipment.
Flashlights, fire extinguisher, oxygen bottles, first aid kit. How many is that for?
Yeah.
Flashlights, fire extinguisher, oxygen bottles, medical kit, and first aid kit.
Difference between medical kit and first aid kit?
The medical kit should have to be used by the doctor. We can use that. The first aid kit, we have basic medical equipment, so we can use that.
Okay, why we can't use a medical kit?
It's not basic medical equipment.
So what kind of equipment it has? Okay. Tell me the name of any vodka.
Vodka.
Yeah. You heard it for the first time?
No.
How do you serve vodka?
In a short glass with rim is dipped in lime juice and salt, and with a lemon to
Right.
reduce its flavor.
Right. Okay, you don't know the name of the vodka. Okay. Tell me how many types of cheese we have.
We have 4 types:
4 types. What are the types?
semi-hard cheese, no, soft cheese, semi-hard cheese, hard cheese, and blue vein cheese.
Okay, the famous blue vein cheese.
Famous blue vein cheese, Roquefort.
Okay, what is the king of cheese?
No, Chilton.
Okay, what is the king of cheese?
King of cheese, Chilton. Roquefort. Chilton, I think. Chilton.
Okay, the queen of cheese.
Brie.
Okay, the most famous semi-hard cheese.
Was smoked.
Okay, what is distillation?
Okay. Distillation is the heating of the fermented product.
Okay, good. Okay, now tell me, what is 30-second review?
In 30-second review, we have to remember where we are sitting, where's our door, what the commands we should be shouting if there's an emergency, and what emergency equipments are under our seats.
One more thing. What do you need to revise in case of evacuation? What you will do?
Woman?
You shout commands, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will recall the commands also. Thank you,
I think
Alina.
I said that. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Alina Johnson, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Please switch on your camera. Alina, tell me, what is the breath analysis test policy?
We will undergo a breath analysis test before we go into flight. If the test is positive first time, we will suspend for 3 months. Second time, if the test is positive, we will
Yeah.
suspend for 1 year.
You're telling me or you're asking me?
Suspend for 1 year.
You're telling me this. This is your answer, right? Okay. Further?
So,
And if you come positive for the third time?
third time we will kick out from the airline.
They will not literally ask you to stand and kick you out of the company. They'll just ask you to resign.
I'll resign. Okay.
Okay. Tell me, how do you secure a cabin?
Check the lavatories, lock the lavatories, make sure that the passengers fasten their seat belts, no big bags under the seats, then straight the seat belts, close the tray belts, the window shades are open.
Okay. When do you give the check to the captain?
Check.
Securance check to the captain. When will you give that check to the captain?
After the securance.
Okay, after the securance. But when? For takeoff or for landing or for cruising?
Landing.
So for landing, you give the check to the captain. Securance check to the captain.
Sorry, ma'am. Takeoff. After the takeoff.
After the takeoff, you give the securance check. You are saying after the takeoff, you give the securance check to the captain. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is a wrong answer. Okay. Then tell me, how many infants can sit in a row?
2.
Why not 3?
Because we have only 7 oxygen masks in one row.
So 2 infants can sit there with all the 6 adults?
No, ma'am. One infant can sit with 6 adults.
Why you said 2 before?
What, ma'am?
Why you said 2 infants before?
I think one side.
Yeah, I'm talking about one row. I mean 3 people here, 3 people here. So 6 people can sit with 2 infants or can sit with 1 infant?
One infant.
Why 1 infant? Why not 2?
Because already there are 6 adults. We have and 1 infant. We have only 7 oxygen masks in one row.
Right. Okay. What is time of useful consciousness?
And 22,000 feet, the time of useful consciousness is 10 to 15 minutes.
What is that? I'm
The
not
time
asking
to-
how much. I'm asking what it is.
And the time to take oxygen within this time.
And if you'll not take oxygen, what will happen? They are getting oxygen, right?
A hypoxia will take place.
What is hypoxia?
If we didn't get a proper oxygen, hypoxia will takes place. It's the process of getting blue. Our body tips will getting blue.
Okay, so if my nails are blue, that means I have hypoxia.
No, ma'am. Because we didn't get proper oxygen. That time, hypoxia will take place.
Yes, right, good. Okay, now tell me the 4 steps to prepare a cheese.
Curdling, draining, pressing, and ripping. Curdling is the process of liquid turned into solid. Draining is the process of removing the excess water and keep the solid part. Then pressing is the process of giving a proper shape to the product. Ripping is the process of add flavor to the product.
Good. Okay, tell me now, what do you serve in a cheese palette? What all is there in a cheese palette?
Crackers, red carrot, dry fruits, celeries, and grapes.
Very good. Okay, tell me, give me the name of the most famous hard cheese.
Hard cheese, cheddar, cheddar,
Cheddar.
cheddar.
Where it is
Cheddar.
from?
It's from England.
Good. Okay, now tell me, give me a name of any single malt.
Single malt. Glenlivet.
Glenlivet, okay. And tell me the name, what all spirits do we have?
Whiskey, vodka, gin, brandy, rum, tequila.
And how many types of whiskey we have?
3 types. Scotch, it's from Scotland. Irish whiskey from Ireland, and bourbon whiskey from USA.
Okay, tell me what all briefings we give to the passenger before takeoff.
We will brief the emergency exit passengers.
Okay.
Then the mother whom with child, explain the brace position.
Infants.
Infants.
There's a difference between infant and a child. Infant is the one who is sitting in the lap of the parent, and child is one who near a different seat for the child. So infant is generally 1 to 2 years old. Okay? So when you just remember that thing, child is someone else. You don't give briefing for the child, you give briefing for the infant. Yes, what briefing do you give?
Explain the brace position of the mother in case of emergency. The mother, the head of the infant should be on the
That's okay.
shoulder.
That's okay. What else do you tell the mother with the infant?
Then about the diaper changing table.
Okay. What do you tell about the diaper changing table?
Process. How can we use that diaper changing table? Unlock it, and
Okay, what is next?
next, in case of during the landing and takeoff, there must be a possibility to cry the child. So we ask them, because of air condition, so we ask the mother to feed the baby or give something to chew.
Okay, good.
And explain the emergency exit passengers and give extension bells if need to the needy people. Then
I'm asking what all briefings we give to the passengers. So first you said you will brief the emergency exit passenger, right? Then you will brief the mother with infant. Do you brief anyone else? Okay, fine. Okay, now tell me, What do you do after serving? After the service, what is the next procedure?
Clearance. We clear the cabin.
And after that?
After that, we check the cockpit. If they need anything, we will serve them.
Okay, after that?
After that, we clearance is done. We can go to our jump seats.
Okay, so once the clearance is done, you just go and sit on your seats. Do you do anything before landing? How do you come to know that we are going to land?
Securance.
Yes. When will you come to know that you are going to, you need to secure the cabin?
Captain will announce about the descent.
Perfect. Okay. Now tell me, what is arming and disarming? Well, yeah, just give me an answer and then you can go. Arming and disarming.
Arming and disarming. We need to arm the door before takeoff. That if in case of any emergency, if we open the door, the slide will inflate from the door. Disarming means if we disarm the door, the slide will not come.
Right. Good. Thank you, Lena. Okay. Alina, another one.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't see you.
Yes.
Alina, please switch on your camera.
Yes.
Okay, Alina, tell me what is turbulence?
Turbulence is the rapid up-down motion of the aircraft. Variation of aircraft.
Okay. Okay. What causes turbulence? What is the reason of turbulence?
Raining, clear of air turbulence, thunderstorm.
What is the turbulence?
We can't see or we can't experience the turbulence. This is quiet and no the aircraft not affected by clear air turbulence.
Think about it and then say what you want to say. Just think about it. What is clear air turbulence?
We cannot detect the turbulence.
How will you detect? I mean, you anyways are not going to detect anything. Do cabin crew are able to detect anything?
Turbulence we can detect by thunderstorm. The shaking will affect it, but clear air turbulence we cannot detect it.
No. Okay, anyways, what is anticipated and unanticipated turbulence?
I don't know, ma'am.
Very good. What is decompression?
Loss of cabin pressure.
Okay. Till how many feet you will be able to breathe normally?
13,000.
Okay, and what will be your action in case of severe turbulence?
We cannot serve. We should stop. We cannot serve the. We cannot serve the percentage. We should go to jump seats and sit and fasten seat belts and secure the cabin and shout the commands Um, um,
Okay.
all passengers should be fastened with the seat belts. We cannot walk in the cabin. We have to secure the cabin.
You have to secure the cabin.
Uh, um, we cannot walk in the cabin and stop serving the passengers, and we go to jump seats or
Okay, Alina. Now tell me, what is 30-second review?
we have to first we have to look who is sitting on the window, call out the commands which we have to evacuate, if any there is evacuation. We have to go to the jump seats. We have to call out the commands.
Okay, thank you, Alina. Who's next? Anjali, are you there? Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you please switch to your camera now? Anjali, not you, Anjali. I was talking about Ankita. Anjali, just join. Anjali, did you just join?
Ma'am.
Okay, Anjali, could you please do the announcement?
No, ma'am, I don't have that paper.
Which paper? Switch on your camera first. Let me see you. So, which paper you don't have? Which paper you are talking about?
Announcement paper, ma'am.
So, I mean, you knew that it's going to be a test today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So why you did not keep the paper with you?
Mummy don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Are you ready for the test, or you don't want to give the test also?
I don't want to give the test, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. All right. Thank you, Anjali. Ankita, can you hear me? Ankita, can you hear me? Ashwin? Ashwin, can you hear me? He's not there. Okay. Avishna? Okay, dear. First of all, tell me what information do you get from the captain while sleeping?
Exact flying time,
Hmm.
delay,
Hmm.
any equipment have any breakage,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now tell me, what is night's briefing?
nature of emergency,
Mm-hmm.
intention of emergency, dicting or practicing,
Mm-hmm.
time of evacuation or not,
Mm-hmm. I'm sorry, can you repeat that? I'm sorry. Nature of emergency. I is
intention, ma'am.
what intention?
Crash
You're
landing.
not supposed to look at your notebook and then answer. Okay, just look at me and answer.
Nature of emergency. I intention.
What intention?
Ditching or crash landing.
Okay, T.
Or time of evacuation.
Time of evacuation. Okay, E.
Evacuation record or not.
S.
Safely and security.
When do we get night briefing?
Planned emergency.
Okay, what is planned emergency?
Crash landing. Turbulence. Breakage of any aircraft.
What is planned emergency? What is unplanned emergency?
Hijacking.
I'm asking what it is. I'm not asking what all are the emergencies. I'm asking when will you come to know that this is planned emergency and this is unplanned emergency?
Captain commands.
Captain come and do what?
Evacuation.
What are you talking about? Captain come and evacuate and you are sitting on your seats.
No ma'am.
Then what?
Go to cockpit.
You go to cockpit. Why and when?
Captain's command. We get captain's command.
Okay, you get a captain's command and then you go to the cockpit. So what is that?
Unplanned emergency.
That is unplanned emergency.
No ma'am, planned emergency.
You girls are crazy. Just think and then answer. You don't even know what you are talking about. Captain will come, captain will go. What is the difference between anticipated and unanticipated turbulence?
Cutting the task.
You know I'm gonna mark you 0 on that. That was not my mistake. How many types of turbulence do you have?
Light, moderate, and severe.
What is severe?
Severe is we can't move to the cabin.
Okay, and
High jerking.
high what?
High jerk taking.
Okay,
We can keep the seatbelt fastened.
okay.
Give a command to the cabin for passenger fasten your seatbelt.
So you will go and check in the cabin that everybody has fastened the seatbelt or not?
No, we can shout a command.
You will shout a command to fasten the seatbelt. Why you have to shout a command when you have a PA? You can do an announcement also, right? So why you are shouting unnecessarily?
Sometimes we are not serving.
You are what?
We are serving something.
Okay, so if you are serving anything and you are in the cabin, right? What will you do in case of severe turbulence? What will be your action?
We can sit nearby seat.
You will sit there. Okay. So you have a cart in your hand, right? While serving, you are serving on a cart, right? You are serving something to the other passenger. You will stop that, you will leave the cart there and you will sit there only. Okay. Now tell me what is securance?
Safety and security.
No, how do you secure a cabin?
Fasten the seatbelt. Check window shades are open. No big bags under the seat. Tray pad closed. No passengers in the lavatory.
Okay, so if the passenger is there in the lavatory, what will you do?
You can ask some come out of the lavatory and take the seat.
Sorry, what?
The passenger in the lavatory, we can ask to come out.
You will ask the passenger to come out. Okay. So while securing, if the passenger is stuck in the washroom and you are asking him to come out and he is not coming out, he is taking time, what will be your action?
We can tell the person.
You will tell the purser. Okay, what will purser do? Purser saying, okay, then I'll come out, right? Then what?
We can ask the captain. Say emergency in case of any turbulence problem.
Okay, so then captain will come out and ask the passenger to come out. So the passenger is very demanding, okay? Passenger is saying, I'm not going to listen to anyone. Captain should come and tell me to come out of the lavatory, only then I'll come out, right? Think about what you are talking, what you are saying. What is decompression?
Loss of cabin pressure.
Okay, when we will lose the cabin pressure, what could be the reason for that?
Any window breakage and hole in aircraft.
Okay, so what is the difference between severe and rapid? Sorry, rapid and I am confused. You guys are so amazing at doing that.
Rapid must go down and loud bang noise and temperature keep down. And slow decompression, passenger have dizziness, nausea and headache, joint pain, and cabin will be cold.
Cabin will be very cold. Okay, why the cabin will be very cold?
Condensation.
What is condensation?
Aircraft pressure will be changed.
Aircraft pressure will be changed. Okay. Okay. Can you do service in all the three types of turbulence?
No, ma'am.
So in which type of turbulence you can do the service and in which type you cannot do a service?
Severe, we can't do service in severe, but light and moderate, we can walk to the cabin.
Okay, so you can do service in moderate. In moderate, so there are three types of turbulence, right? Light, moderate and severe. You cannot do in severe. That's what you said. You can do in light and moderate. Right? So in moderate turbulence, you can do the normal service. Then what?
We can't any hot liquid can have throw the passenger so
What?
for the bundle.
Okay, take your time. Why we cannot do service or why we can do service in moderate turbulence?
Sometimes we are serving the hot coffee, tea. That's
We
what
call it beverage.
hot or coffee. Flip.
Any hot beverage. you
Sometimes
said.
fall down and passengers will be burnt.
Okay, so you will not do normal service in moderate. You will not serve hot beverages. Okay, and in severe you don't do any kind of service. In light you can, but in moderate we cannot serve hot beverages. That's how you answer. Okay. All right. Now, nice briefing. I've asked What are the duties and responsibilities of a cabin crew?
Keep thinking, take initiative, organization skills, work as a team,
I'm gonna fail you if you will not answer this. Trust me. What is your primary duty on board?
safety and security.
And you forget that.
Confused.
I was shouting on each and every lecture that this is your primary duty. You cannot forget that. What do you do at the time of boarding?
Greeting and welcoming the passenger. Two door in aircraft. Two crew can stand by the door and welcoming and greeting others and help to seat assigning and baggage handling.
Other do what?
Seat assigning,
Okay. And?
baggage handling.
Okay. Okay. What else? That's it? That is it? You'll not do anything else? Okay. Okay, tell me, you know there are different phases of flight. So what is the third phase of flight?
After takeoff.
Third phase is after takeoff. What is the fourth phase?
Sorry ma'am, on board is after third phase, fourth is after takeoff.
What is the third phase? On board? Is there any phase called on board? Okay, let's start from the first one. What is the first phase of flight?
Report. Report.
Sorry? Reporting to the airport. Second phase?
Second phase, pre-flight check.
Third phase?
On board.
That's not on board, it's boarding.
Boarding.
Not on board. What do you do in boarding?
We greet the passenger.
Okay, you are helping the passenger, you are helping them to relocate their seats. What next? I'm gonna kill you. I wish I can do that. Okay, who's next? Janvi.
I'm not ready for today. Actually,
Janvi, it's not optional by the way, you know that, right?
today morning only I got that today's test. I didn't get any time to revise anything.
I don't know, I mean those who are answering me and giving me tests today, that's perfectly fine because I don't know that we are gonna have another class or not. Okay, so I don't know I can take your test again or not. So that's fine. Xavier. Xavier, are you there? Are you ready? Janvi, please mute your audio. Yeah, great. Okay, Xavier, are you ready? Xavier, tell me what all hot alcoholic beverage we have.
Milk, tea, coffee,
Malted drinks.
What alcoholic beverage I'm talking about? Listen to the question. Hot alcoholic beverage.
Milk, tea, coffee. Malted
Is
drinks.
that alcoholic? Do you get high when you drink milk? What is night's briefing?
There are five suggestions. And for nature for emergency. L for intention for land or beach. T for time for first impact. E for evacuation. Evacuation is required or not required. S for safety and security.
When do you get the night's briefing?
In plant emergency.
What is planned emergency?
In plant emergency. In plant emergency, we know about who will be pitching land, crash landing.
What is planned emergency? I'm not asking what all type of planned emergencies are. Listen to the question. If I ask you what are the types of planned emergency, then you can give me the answer what you're giving right now. Right now I'm asking you what is planned emergency? What is the time of useful consciousness? Xavier, switch on the camera. You cannot switch off the camera. What is time of useful consciousness? Alright, thank you, Xavier. Ramesh? Ramesh, can you hear me? Are you there? Okay, he's not there. Shilka?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't laugh. Okay. What is time of useful consciousness?
30,000 feet.
What?
90 seconds.
90 seconds what?
Useful time consciousness.
I can't hear you.
Useful time consciousness.
What is 90 seconds? I've never taught you that there's only 90 seconds for time of useful consciousness. You are mixing two things. Time of useful consciousness is something else and evacuation time is something else. How many type of emergencies we have?
Planned emergency and unplanned emergencies.
What is planned and what is unplanned?
Planned emergencies are
What is planned emergency?
night briefing.
What is night briefing? Guys, are you crazy? What are you talking about? And what I'm asking you? Don't sorry me. I mean, it's not my fault. I'm gonna fail you. As simple as that. It's easy for me. You just don't understand what I'm asking you. What is turbulence?
Turbulence, irregular motion of aircraft.
Okay. How many type of turbulence are there?
3 type.
What are the types?
Light turbulence, moderate turbulence, severe turbulence.
What is the difference?
Light turbulence are very little bumpiness.
Okay.
Moderate, little more bumpiness. Severe, we can do anything in the turbulence.
What do you want to do which you cannot do?
Doing services.
So you can't do service in severe turbulence. Okay. Can you do service in moderate?
Passengers ask. If any passengers are asked, then we do.
Otherwise you will not do. If a passenger is asking you that, I'm very hungry, I'm a diabetic passenger, I want to eat right now with a tea. So will you serve him? You just said you can serve the passenger who's asking for it. Now he's a diabetic passenger, he wants it right now.
In moderate turbulence,
What?
little more bumpiness.
Will you serve that passenger or not?
No,
Why?
because of liquids are.
So is it okay if the passenger will die? Then what? He's a diabetic passenger, he's asking you for food and you are not giving him food.
Give them food.
You will give him food. Just decide what you want to do.
Give them food.
Why you will give? Because this is a turbulence. How can you give food to a passenger?
I don't know.
Thank you so much. Okay, who's next? Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shubham, please give me better answers, yeah. I'm done now. Okay, tell me. What is decompression?
The loss of cavitation as well as decompression.
Okay, how many types of decompressions are there?
We have two types of decompression: rapid decompression, slow decompressions.
What is the difference?
In rapid decompressions, the temperature will go in minus rapidly and a loud bang is done, and condensation will happen. In slow decompression, we will not come to know visibly. The captain will come to know visibly, and after some time, the passenger will feel dizziness, headache, nausea.
Okay, great. Tell me one thing. Do you know what is time of useful consciousness?
Yes, ma'am. When the body lack of oxygen, they have not to react, but less to react.
Very good. Everybody just listen to this now. Right now, switch on the cameras. Everyone. I have showed you guys a video on Friday regarding this. Do you guys remember that? Anyone remember that you have seen a video on time of useful consciousness? When a guy was unable to react, when the oxygen level goes near 60-61. Have you seen that video? That is what time of useful consciousness is. That is not 90 seconds. 90 seconds is the time which you have while evacuating the people. So remember this thing now, please. Yes, Shubham, carry on, please. Okay, time of useful consciousness. Okay, what will be your action in case of rapid decompression?
During the rapid decompression, first of all, I'll go to my seats and I'll fasten my seat belt and I'll shout my commands who is in lavatory to come out, and
very good.
When I'll shout that, and when the flight comes to normal, I'll take one oxygen bottle.
What is the normal altitude?
The normal altitude is between 10,000 to 13,000.
Okay, great. So once you came at 13,000 feet, what will be your action?
And I'll take a round in the cabin and see that any passenger is fainted or not, and I will inform to the captain.
Okay, great. Alright, can you tell me what is 30-second review?
In 30-second review, what will be my evacuation commands during any emergency happens, and second thing, which door I am operating, if the slide will not inflate, and where are my emergency equipments.
Right. Okay, give me the name of any 5 equipments.
Fire extinguishers, oxygen bottles, life jackets, first aid kit, medical kit, universal precautions kit.
Okay. What is planned and unplanned emergency?
Planned emergency is the emergency when the captain comes to you that it will be emergency happening, and in unplanned we don't know. Even the captain will come to you.
Exactly. Very good. Okay. Any idea of how much time do you have for the first impact? In case of planned emergency, how will you come to know, in short, how will you come to know that in how much time you are gonna get landed or crash landed or ditching?
It's on captain. How will be giving night briefing? What will be
very good. Yes, because there is a point in the night's briefing that is time for first impact. Okay, good. How many types of cheese we have?
We have 4 types of cheese: soft cheese, semi-hard cheese, hard cheese, and bluebird cheese.
Okay. Which is the king of cheese?
King of Stilton.
Stilton. Okay. And how do you fight the fire?
With first of all, I'll wear the PPE kit, and I will maintain the distance of 6 feet. And first of all, I will find the source of where the fire is coming, and I'll start spraying from the fire extinguisher.
Very good. Thank you, Shubham.
Most welcome.
Trisha, please switch on your camera. Okay, Trisha, tell me, how will you greet the purser and the captain?
Good, Mr. Sharma. I am Teresa Shine. I am flying with you. I'm today flying with you.
Okay. What information do you get from your purser?
I can understand.
What?
I can understand your question.
I said, what all information do you get from your cursor?
Whether delays to flight,
Your cursor will tell you about the weather. So what will the cursor tell you?
I don't know.
What is decompression?
Cabin pressure.
How many types of decompression?
Rapid decompression, slow decompression.
Okay, tell me what is the fifth phase of light?
After takeoff,
What do you do in that?
secure the cabin.
After takeoff, you will secure the cabin.
No, not secure the cabin. Takeoff.
What will you do in after takeoff?
After takeoff,
How will you fight the fire?
find the fire.
How many types of cheese we have?
4 types of cheese.
What are the types?
Hard cheese, semi-hard cheese, soft cheese, blue cheese.
Give me the name of Blueband cheese.
Gorgonzola, Stilton,
What is the difference between first aid kit and medical kit?
first aid kit and used in medical kit cannot be used without permission of doctor.
Okay, tell me one topic which you are thorough with and I'll ask you a question on that topic.
Medical kit cannot be used in doctor.
Alright, thank you. Veena, you there? Veena, switch on the camera, please. Okay, Veena, how will you fight the fire?
I will wear the portable breathing equipment because where the fire, the smoke will be coming out. It's possibility that the smoke will be toxic. So I'll wear the portable breathing equipment and I will fight it with the fire extinguisher.
How will you fight the fire?
I will find the source and I will put the fire extinguisher.
You're supposed to maintain a 6 feet difference from the fire.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Maintaining a 6 feet different and fighting with the fire extinguisher.
Why you have to aim at the base of the fire?
What now?
Why do you have to aim at the base of the fire?
Because it might be because of the short circuit or faulty wire, the fire may be coming. So I have to fire, aim at the base of the fire.
That's why you have to aim at the base of the fire.
Because I have to stop the fire.
No, my question is why you have to aim at the base or at the source of the fire? What is the reason for that?
Because there will be a lot of smoke coming out from the fire, so I have to put the fire extinguisher into the beam. I mean, like I have to do into the beam.
No, that's wrong. Okay, what is decompression?
Decompression is rapid low in the cabin pressure.
Okay, what is turbulence?
Turbulence is the rapid up and down motion of the aircraft due to the variation.
What is the time of useful consciousness?
The time of useful consciousness is the time that you will be surviving poor oxygen environment.
Sorry, what?
In a poor oxygen environment, the time you will be surviving.
What is hypoxia?
Hypoxia. So if it is extreme, it leads to hypoxia, where you will be unable to think. You will lose the decision-making capability, and your body will turn into blue.
Very good. Okay, what are the phases of flight?
Phases of flight. The first one is reporting to the airport. While reporting, you will be undergoing the BA.
Just give me the names.
Reporting to the airport. Second is pre-flight checking. Third one is boarding procedure. Fourth one is after door closed. Fifth one is after takeoff. Sixth one is descent, and seventh one is after landing.
Okay. What is 30-second review?
30 seconds review, you will be doing it in the fourth stage and the sixth stage of phases of flight. So where you will be going into the jump seat and you will be in your base position. While takeoff, you will be doing the 30 seconds review, where you will be checking the emergency exit door, and if during an emergency, if the door is not opened, what you will be doing, and if the slide is not inflated, what you will be doing, and also you will be recollecting all your commands. That all the safety equipment are there under your seat. And also you will be check the able-bodied passengers who is keeping the emergency.
Okay, great. Veena, tell me, when will you take the handover of the catering?
I didn't get to know.
When will you take the catering handover?
I take poor connection. So catering, it will be during the pre-flight check-in, taking over the catering order.
Okay, after the pre-flight check, you will take the catering handover. Alright, so quickly tell me, how will you greet the captain?
Captain, good morning, Captain Sharma. My name is Veena Krishna. I will be flying with you.
Okay. Tell me 5 situations when cabin crew will start evacuation.
In an evacuation procedure, where captain is in an incapacitation state or unconscious, and severe structural damage of the aircraft, or crash landing on water, or pitching, then uncontrollable fire, then smoke on the cabin. You will be wait for the 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds, you are not getting the call from the captain, then we start evacuation of the complete landing.
Very good. Do you know what exit markers are?
Ma'am, while if if there is a dense smoke or in an emergency, you won't be seeing the exit path. So you can see the exit path on the L path. It is like a fluorescent light like this, where you will be seeing.
Okay, do you know what anticipated and unanticipated turbulence?
Anticipated and unanticipated turbulence. Anticipated turbulence, where you will be detecting the turbulence with the radar, you'll be getting the information. Captain will get the information. Captain can detect it, but unanticipated, captain can't detect it. Radar won't detect it. So, like a cat, clear air turbulence. You won't be knowing about it.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Veena. That was really nice.
Ma'am, can you please answer me the first question?
Which one?
The fire base something.
Okay, so you don't put the fire extinguisher. Why do you put the fire extinguisher at the base of the fire? Because as I told you, we have very less fire extinguishers on board. Okay, we have only 4 extinguishers and it lasts for 15 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds only. Okay, so if we will spray it here and there, we are wasting it. So we don't want to waste it. That's why we are putting it at the base of the fire, because we are giving it blanketing effect. We are cutting the oxygen from the fire. So that's why we are putting at the base of the fire, so that it will get no oxygen at the base and the fire will go. If the fire is here, but the base is here, and if we spray here, the base still has fire. So that is of no use. We have wasted our fire extinguisher. But if we aim at this point, then it will go from the base. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Anyone is left? Ankita, are you back? Oh, she's not there. Ankita? She's not there. Okay, guys. So Anjali, Janvi, Ankita. Yeah, Ankita and Ashwin also. Let me just write it down. Ankita, Ashwin, Varshan, Anjali, and Janvi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys have not given your Viva, and I don't know what will happen. I will take your class again or not, and in that class I will be taking your Viva or not. So don't get surprised if you will get to know that you have failed the Viva. Not my mistake. Second thing, many of you did not answer me really well. Few of you answered really well. So yeah, many of you has failed. I'm sorry, not my fault. And two of you, Shubham and Veena, you guys answered really well. So you actually got the full marks. Even in grooming, Shubham, you were like perfect. Your announcements was good. Veena, your announcements was also good. Veena, Janvi's announcement was good. Xavier's announcement was good. Shilka was not bad also. So I have written down everything, and those who have not given me the test, their problem, not my problem anymore. And we'll see what we are supposed to do next, okay? Because from my end, everything is done, okay? Even your test is done, grooming is done, announcement is done. I have given you marks for that. I don't know I'm going to take your class tomorrow or not. So I would say goodbye to everyone today. So the rest, maybe I will come to know what is the next plan, and I will, or maybe you guys will get the information about it. So if they ask me to take the test again, I will take your test. If they ask me not to take, I will not take. Okay? So any questions, anything you guys want to ask?
Yes, ma'am, I got it out yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
What to do on an onboard birth?
What is?
Onboard birth of a child first.
Yeah, it happens.
Yeah, what to do that?
Okay, so in that case, actually, we have not done first aid, because I was talking about, we were in a discussion that we need to do that or we don't need to do that. But then first aid is something I think each airline has their own protocols and they want to follow that. So if I tell you my point of view in those cases, could be a possibility the airline will not accept that. So I don't want to, inculcate something in your head, and then again, if you start working for some airline, you will get confused. कि नहीं मैम ने तो ये बताया था. It was like that. Every airline has a different protocol. So birth of a child also comes in first aid. Because we have not done first aid at all, that's why I did not discuss that. There are really few chances in domestic flight that something like that happens. Because in domestic flight, in every 30 minutes, we have a airport. So we can land within 30 minutes or maybe less than 30 minutes in case of such emergency. Okay? But in international flights, it is a point of concern, so that's why they don't let a pregnant lady fly when she is like 32 weeks and above. Okay, so after 32 weeks, even in domestic also, I guess there is some limit. When I used to fly with Indigo, they used to say after 30 to 32 weeks, between if a lady is in 32 weeks, she can fly, but she has to follow some protocol. So she should have the doctor's certificate that she is fit to fly, there is no complications and all that. She submit that to the airline, then the airline doctor will check it, and then they allow the passenger to fly. So this way, every airline has a different criteria. Okay, so yeah, go ahead.
If it happens in an international flight, a big test is
So you will be your airline will train you for that, because then they will teach you how to give a birth to a baby. They will teach you how to give you a CPR to a person. Okay, they will teach you each and everything. So they don't let you go on flight just like that. They will train you properly in first aid and all those things. Of course, they will not ask you to give birth to a baby, but then they will teach you how to do that. Okay, so just in case something like that happens, you just don't go confused that what am I supposed to do. I mean, you should have you will have the basic idea. Okay, but most of the time, if you'll page for the doctor, if you'll do an announcement that you need a doctor, there is an emergency, 90% of the time you get the doctor. But as you are saying, in hypothetical situation, there is no doctor, you are on international flight, what you will do? Then you have to do it. And they will teach you how to do that. Okay? And there were few instances when, and this happened. There was a baby who, there was a birth on board in an international flight, not in India, some other international flight, I don't remember the name. But it happens like 2-3 times.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem. Any other question? Umra, are you there? Umra, are you there? No, she's not. Yeah, she's here. Umra, can you hear me? Okay, fine. Alright guys, thank you so much. I'm gonna call it off for today. It was not very good as I expected, but can't help it. Yeah, I was expecting more from you guys and I kind of disappointed. Grooming is okay, announcement is okay, but when I ask you questions, you guys just go blank. You have no idea what to answer. So I don't know what will happen tomorrow. I mean, I'm going to take your class or I'm not going to take your class. So if I will take your class, then I'll see you tomorrow. And if I will not take your class, then bye-bye. Okay? So thank you so much. It was lovely meeting you. I don't know your experience, but I hope that we'll get to talk one more time whenever it is possible. So let's see what happens. So for today, just enjoy your evening, have fun, and maybe or maybe not, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.